This is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today we'll be unboxing the tried and true Aquabot Classic. This is an in-ground pool cleaner that covers all pool surfaces. It's low maintenance, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So the first thing we're going to do is actually pull out the cleaner. You'll notice that we have a 50-foot cable, so we recommend this cleaner for pools that are about 40 feet in length. Next, we're going to pull out the power supply. The power supply is durable, well-packed power supply. Very easy to operate. Turn it on, let it go. That's it. Let's see. Next, you have your owner's manual and your warranty registration instructions. You can go online to aquabot.com and fill out your warranty registration, and it should take you about 5 minutes. Let's see what else. Lastly, we have a bottom assembly kit and a float kit. If you find that your cleaner is not climbing the walls, you can add some floats. The instructions are inside. If you feel that your cleaner is not picking up as much dirt and debris as you like, we recommend using the bottom assembly kit. If any of these problems occur, we want to make sure you're prepared. So if you come on a little closer, I can show you a brief synopsis of what the cleaner does. To access the filter, you just go and move these 2 tabs and pull out the filter from underneath the cleaner. This cleaner is equipped with 1 filter bag, an ergonomic handle, which you can turn depending on the direction. Other than that, this is a great cleaner. It's tough, and I recommend it. This is the Aquabot Classic.